Hi everyone. So today I have a pattern haul for you. I have about 7 patterns that I picked up during an August sale at Joann's, and I will show you what I have. So let me start with the first one. Okay, here we go. This is McCall's 8056, and most of my patterns I usually pick up in the plus size, so this runs 16 to 24, but they have the smaller sizes as well. In this one we have 3 options, A, B, and C, and what it is, it's Mrs. Robe belt, tops, shorts, and pants. And out of those options you can get about F, from A to F, so that's about 6 views. Here are the line drawings. So for A, you have the robe itself, and that's so front and back. B, you have robe and belt, which is a different view from the top, so B is a little longer. C is the top, front and back. D, and this, so C is with short sleeves, D is with longer sleeves here. E, you have the shorts, and F, the long pants. Oh, and there's another one, G, with elastic belt loops, and so there are about let me see, 23 pieces in this pattern. They are suggesting light to medium weight woven fabrics, and with the notions you need, I think the largest amount would be 3 yards, at least 3 yards of material, probably for the longer robe, and then the others 1.5 to 1.25 yards. For the fabric you have wash silk, charmeuse, crepes, cotton foil. So this is easily a nice loungewear set with your top, belt, pants, or shorts if you desire. So I picked up, this was actually the first one that I picked up. Okay, let's go to the second one. The second one is a McCall's, and it's McCall's M8281, size is XS to 2XL. Alright, this is a dress in 3 options. The model is wearing the sleeveless option, casual with a pocket, and then you have a short sleeve and a long sleeve. To the back with the line drawings, here we have them. This is the dress, front and back with the short sleeves. Here it is with the long sleeves, and then you have view C, the sleeveless. Does this one say how many pieces? It doesn't say how many pieces in this one, but it does say that it's an easy make, and the suggested fabric is gauze, linen, cotton blends, stable knits, and you need interfacing for this one, lightweight, and notion says buttons as well. So this is a nice dress option, McCall's 8281. The third one is another dress option, and this is McCall's 8312. Sizes from large to 2XL. So I did say most of these run in the plus size range. So here we have 4 options for this dress. There's a long sleeve. There's also another long sleeve here, or flowy sleeve option here. View B, that's view A, sorry, then B, and then we have D, which is the longer dress version. Turning to the back with the line drawings, we have line drawing for A, B, C, and D. Again, another easy pattern, and the suggested fabric is gingham, cotton blends, poplin, and sateen. No notions seen here, so this makes it very easy. So McCall's 8312. That was it from McCall's, and then I moved on to Nomi. So this is Brittany J. Jones Nomi pattern number ME2002, and here she is in a top and a pants, A, B, C, and D. So there are 4 views that you can make with this pattern. Let us look at the line drawings. It says Mrs. and Woman's knit tops and jeans. So here you have a longer top, more like a tunic. You can have it without a sleeve, with a sleeve, sleeveless, and then you have the jeans. Looks as if you can have it capri and long lengths as well, full length. The suggested fabric is stretch knits only, such as interlock, jersey, rib knit, ITY, sweater knit, and that's for A and B. So that's for the top, stretch knits only. And then for C and D, which is the bottom jeans, you can use cotton blends, denim, linen blends, stretch wovens. And you will need a lining for C and D, cotton blends, polyester for the lining fabric, and you'll also need interfacing. And this pattern is rated average. Okay, so that's the Nomi ME2022. Looking very nice there. Again, plus size. So I chose size W to 20W to 28W. The second Nomi pattern is Ironica Coal. In sizes FG, which is from 16W to 26W, and this is ME2005. The Nomi patterns are by Mimigy, in case there's anyone who doesn't know by now, and they all feature the designers who are the models themselves in the various patterns. So here she is in a top and pants. So there are 2 views, A and B, for Ironica core. Let us look at the back, the line drawings for this top and pants. So this is the top, front and back A, and the pants B. The pattern is rated average. The suggested fabrics for both A and B is cotton blends, linen blends, stretch wovens, ponte, and double knit. A, which is a top, can also be in grip and silky types. And you can contrast A, the sleeves and the bodice there. You can contrast that with novelty, sheer, georgette, or chiffon. And you need interfacing, lightweight, fusible. For notions, you'll need a wide elastic and a button, a dome button, and a zipper. Okay, so for yardage, B will run you all the way up to 3, anywhere from 2 and 7/8 to 3 yards, and the top anywhere from 7/8 to 1 yard, depending on your size. Okay, so this is Ironica core, or Ironica, or Ironica core top, women's top and pants. And the last Lomi pattern that I have is from the Corny Rainbow, running in size Y5 from 18 to 26. Preference for me. Yours, of course, will be different. And we have here a shirt dress and a knit tank dress. Again, an average rated pattern. You have the line drawings here for A and B and C. So A seems to be just a slim fitting dress and robe, or shirt dress as they call it, over it. And this would be the C, with it seems to be a contrast here. So we have A, the tank dress, B, and C. Suggested fabric is a stretch knits, such as the interlock, the ITY, the jersey, and the rib knit. And the contrasts for B and C would be batiks, chambray, cotton blends, cotton lawn, jacquard, linen blends, shirtings. And B and C can also be in georgette, shears, organza. And you'll need interfacing, lightweight, fusible. This one takes a lot of yardage. Dress B, which is this one, can run you up to 5 3/4 yards. Anywhere over 4.5 yards for dress B. That's if you are into the 45-inch wide fabric. 60-inch is about 4.1/8 yard. And dress A will run you into 1.5 yards of material. Okay, there's also dress C, which is a little bit less than B, about 2, 3, and under 4 yards if it's 45 inches wide. Let's have a look at the front of this again. So this is B and C, A and C, and it's the Corny Rainbow. Did I say the pattern number? ME 2026. And the last pattern that I have is actually a NewLook pattern for girls, or tweens as they say. It's an easy pattern. It's NewLook 6444 and it runs in sizes from 8 to 16. So here we have a jumpsuit, a dress, dress again, and a romper type. We look at the line drawings. Oh, it's on this side. Alright, so the line drawings, you only have 12 pieces. So this is A, the jumper, B, the romper, C, the longer dress, and D, the shorter dress. So this looks interesting. Oh, those weren't really sizes. This says age, so age 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 years old. So I thought it was sizes, but it says age. But you, of course, would have to go by the measurements. And the suggested fabrics, it's batiks, cotton lawn, cotton types, crepe, gauze, silky types. And you should allow extra fabric if you're matching plaids or stripes. And it's not suitable for sleepwear. Okay, so here for the notions, you need some elastic, some bias tape, and the elastic, white elastic. So that's it. This looks neat. So I'm gonna be trying this out for my granddaughter. So that's NewLook 6444. Okay, that's it. That's the haul from Joanne's. Thank you for watching.